by picking it up and throwing it to your shoulder like old St. Nicholas. It will be your life preserver. Or your anchor. Anyway, here is a couple of samples. Here is a couple of samples. First of all, you can feed it to your dogs. How cool is that? They're eating it right now. Also, you can feed it to your dog. Fluffy. Ooh, good stuff. And then you can also feed it to yourself. Oh, this is cool. Good stuff. I don't like talking with my notebook. Anyway, you can get 6 samples for free. Banana, caramel, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla with an extra. And if you call again at exactly 4 o'clock, and I mean exactly, like by the right time, by our clock change, you can get an extra sample. I don't know what flavor it's called, but you can try it out yourself. Anyway, we are in the middle of an interview with Hey Billy. Mr. Hey Billy, as I should call him. So, Mr. Hey Billy, how is your life with your dog and you with this type of food product? Well, I think that it's very, very, worthy. Like, this one flavor I really like is, it tastes like bubble gum. I think that's one of the secret, formulas to this one secret try-it-yourself thing. I think there's a whole bunch of different flavors they give you. Just total strange, different ones like strawberry, caramel, maybe some other secrets like bubblegum, which I got because I called on time. But, my family's doing great with this food. I think that we would be using it for a long time. That's very good. Now, how about your family and you? How do you think of the taste? Like, how do you make sure that it tastes good for you? Well, because on the package it says from calories from the Fiber United States of America label, it says Fiber 100, which means it's very good fiber and grain for you and your family. It's like barley, so it's for you. And also, so you make all this weird flavor with your mouth, and it's a certain way you move it around that makes you want to like scream and shout because it's your favorite food. That's good. So we have everything we need, and that's a pretty good infomercial for today. So see you next time on Pro Plan. That's so funny, Hey Billy. Goodbye. Love you, fans.